Oh, bite, bite. Got him, got him. Oh, this is not a bad one either. Pizza Planet. If you know what movie that's from, congratulations, you're cool. Hope you're having a good day, everybody. Thank you for joining me. I'm gonna do some bass fishing today. I'm gonna try out a new lure and see how it goes. It's a pretty good day. It's about 5 o'clock right now, like 60 degrees, slight breeze, really cloudy. Feels great to be outside. So yeah, let's get to it. All right, guys, this is what I'm gonna try out today. Mr. Twister, the original lifelike design, $1.29. It's from Sportsman's Warehouse, I believe. It's kind of a classic little worm. I'm gonna Texas rig it and get it out there. There we go, Texas rig and a little bullet weight up there for a little more weight. Let's get it out there. So while I let that sink to the bottom, I'm using my Quantum nitrous reel and my Jawbone pole and 10-pound mono line. So what I'm going to do now, once I fix this, so what I'm going to do is just reel it in, pull up, let go, let it fall down, pick up, fall down, just pause, pull it up, let it fall, and pause. And that's what I'm going to do for a little while, see if they respond to that. Oh, I had a bite. I guess he didn't swallow the hook, or maybe I was too impatient. Oh well. Check this. Oh, all right, let's try again. Bite. Oh, I had a bite, I had a bite. Oh, bite, bite. Got him, got him. Oh, this is not a bad one either. Ooh, come here, fella, come on. Oh yeah, this is not a bad one. God dang. Ow, you're tearing up my thumb. Ow, shoot. His teeth are sharp, dude. Use my grippers then, geez. Got the hook out, all right. Well, since I got the grippers on you, let me weigh you. Zero out the scale. Oop. 2.05. 2.05. Nice. This is a good fish. It's healthy fish. This is usually bigger than I'm used to out of this pond. I'm used to like 1 to 1.5 pounders. All right, he's ready to go. Let's get him go. Oh, frisky, man, frisky. Oh wow, he tore me up. I'm bleeding pretty good. All right, let's get myself cleaned up. See, how's the bait doing? It's way up above the hook on the line. Alright, fixed it all up. Let's get it back out there. So again, I was just using the technique of just lifting it up and letting it fall. Pause, lifting it up, letting it fall, pause. Alright, I'm going to fish the edge of this vegetation right here. That's always a good idea anytime you see any sort of vegetation, lily pads, whatever. Just fish the edge of it. And I nested, but don't do that. Don't nest. So I fished the vegetation all from there to right here, and I didn't catch anything, so I'm trying over here. It's a little shallower here in the water, but I have caught some pretty decent ones over here in the little shallow parts. So we'll see. Alright, I say it's been about a half hour now. I'm gonna probably start making my way back around to where I started and see if I can catch any more where I caught the first one, because over here nothing seems to be biting. Fish. He had it for a while. I hope he didn't swallow it. Ooh, good jump, good jump, good jump. Nope, he didn't swallow it. That's good. You're a little smaller than the last one. Alright, fine, I'll use my grippers. I don't need any more of you guys tearing up my thumb anyways. God dang, come on. Got him right there, like, kind of in the bottom right there. Oh. Got it. Got it out. He's a small little feller. Probably not even a pound. But he's healthy looking, no damage. Sometimes I pull fish out of here that are damaged, like from fights or something, I don't know. Yeah. Alright, let's get him back. Alright. So that's fish number 2. Let me fix this bait and then I'll explain to you what I did differently, because I actually switched up my retrieve. Okay, so before what I was doing was I was rising it up and letting it fall. Rising it up, letting it fall. But what I did this time is what I usually do, which is to let it fall first, get to the bottom, then tap, 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 pause. Tap, 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 pause. Short little taps, little tugs. So it kind of just bounces across the bottom a little bit. And that worked for that last fish, so. Oh, I had a bite, He let go. Oh well. This lure is quite long. With a really long little thinned out tail in the back. I'm worried that a lot of them are just grabbing onto it and kind of yanking it a little bit, which makes me think that they have the whole hook in their mouth, but they don't. Generally, fish usually attack what they think is the head, so they should attack this, which should get me a hook set, but I don't know. Fish. Got him. He's not that big. Oh, but he's got a huge wound on him. God dang. Holy moly. Got the hook out. Wow, that's a huge gash, guys. Do you see that? Oh my god. What is going on in here? Are you getting attacked by those turtles? The big ones? Wow. I'm just gonna let you go immediately, fella. Wow. That sucks. That's a huge wound. That would require multiple stitches if that was on a human. Wow. That's too bad. So actually, when I caught him, I actually was using a third type of retrieve, which I will explain here in a second. Alright, that's fixed. Okay, so this type of retrieve that I was using is one that I don't use very often. But it's really simple. You just simply drag it across the bottom when you throw it out there. You just let it sink to the bottom, and then just drag it like 4 or 5 feet and just pause. Reel it in, just drag it across the bottom. Yeah, and that's how I caught that one. So it's 3 different retrieves I've used to catch 3 different fish here. All of them are valid, all of them work, you know? It's kind of whatever you feel like, really. Oh, on the drop. Oh, another hit on the drop. Oh, but he let go. I wasn't even prepared. I just threw it out there. It hit the surface of the water, and I was chilling, and I wasn't prepared for that. Now the bait's all tangled up on itself too. Okay. Oh, come on, just one more fish, I can get out of here. I've been here a little too long. Fish. There we go. There we go. Ooh, he had a good jump. He's fighting great. Come on, buddy. Oh. Chill out, bro. Chill out, bro. Yeah. Heck yeah. Oh, you're caught pretty good. You're caught in that gill plate. That's hard stuff right there. Oh, wow. Oh yeah, he's hooked good. He was not going to get out of that. Unless he snapped the line, but dang. Oh, close. Almost got it. There we go. Got it. Fantastic. Let's see, look at you. Any wounds on you? Nope. You're just a healthy looking fish. Heck yeah, boys. You're number 4, and you'll probably be my last for tonight, because I kind of want to head home now. Been out here for a number of hours, so. Alright, a couple of Instagram selfies. And now we're done, and we'll let you go, buddy. There he goes. Alright. Alright, the Mr. Twisters did their job today, and look at that. $1.29. And I love good deals, and I love when good deals work out. Guys, I've been here for maybe 2.5, 3 hours, and I caught those 4 fish. Oh yeah, feels good. It's a good day. It's a good day to fish. Good day to fish. Or just a good day to be outside, really. So I hope you guys are getting outside just a little bit. And I'd like to thank you for taking just a few minutes out of your day to watch me. So thank you for that. And peace out, guys.